morning, students. How are you all? I hope you have celebrated Diwali safely. Now it's time to study. This time Monday and Tuesday was off for you, so no videos was there. Now this is to inform you that chapter 8 is not in your course. Now I'm going to start chapter 9, A Bottle of Dew. The name of the chapter is A Bottle of Dew. ड्यू जिसको आप हिंदी में ओस की बूंदें बोलते ना, ड्रॉपलेट्स, लिटिल ड्रॉपलेट्स यू फाइंड ऑन लीव्स अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, that is called dew. Okay, now there is a story based on this dew. Okay, I am going to read and explain you side by side very small and interesting story. Okay, it was a story of south. Okay, Ramanatha was the son of rich landlord. Landlord means the जिसको आप हिंदी में मकान मालिक बोलते हैं, those who have lot of piece of land. Okay, and they own their own land, है ना, they are the wholesale of that land. His father left him a large tract of land when he died. Tract of means a large piece of land he gave to his son. But Ramanatha did not spend even one day looking after his land. He was very lazy and he was of different type of beliefs. He has different type of beliefs. We will come to know what type of belief he has. So he did not spend even a single coin of money on the land. He don't want to go there even. This was because he had a funny idea. What was his belief or a funny idea? That there exists a magic potion which, if touched to any object, turns it into gold. What was his belief? कि there is a potion means a magic liquid. जैसे आपने फेरी और इनकी स्टोरीज में यू हैव सीन कि उनके पास एक बॉटल में मैजिक लिक्विड होता है. From that liquid they can change to anything, whatever thing or person they change into other person. So that is called magic, and this is all in stories में, ठीक है ना, imaginary stories, not in real life. So Ramanathan also has the idea that he will get magic potion someday and he will turn that into gold, anything, है ना. He spent all his time trying to learn more about this potion. He was not knowing anything about this, but he always kept himself busy in studying that how I will get this potion. People cheated him often. Okay, when people come to know your weakness, they start cheating you. They start playing games on you, tricks on you. In the same way, people often take misuse of Ramanathan ideas and they say ki I will tell you, and they take money from Ramanathan and nothing will happen. Nothing he will get. He was only bus having the funny idea. His wife Madhumati was tired of this. His wife was intelligent, wise, so he was fed up of his husband's ideas. And also worried. She was also worried because she saw how much money Ramanathan was spending. He is not earning money. Instead of that, he used to spend money to get magic potion, and he is not getting as a result also. People are cheating and taking money from him. She was sure that soon they would be left paupers. Paupers means poor people. So she was thinking like this कि if Ramanathan will spend money like this, so one day they will get also poor people. So one day a famous sage called Mahipati came to their town. Ramanatha became his follower. Follower means he used to listen his teachings and asked him about the potion. So he asked him a question about the potion. To his surprise, The sage answered, "Yes, in my travels in the Himalayas, I heard you could make such a potion, but it is a difficult process." So sage ने क्या आंसर दिया कि I know you are in search of that potion but it is a difficult process, but one day you will get the potion. So he is saying, "Tell me," stated Ramanatha. He is forcing sage, not believing his luck. उसको अपने luck पे believe नहीं हो रहा था कि now he will get the potion from this sage. You have to plant a banana tree. Now what is the condition of sage? You have to plant a banana tree and water it regularly with your own hands. What he said कि you have to plant banana tree in your land and you have to give water to it daily. In winter, the morning dew will settle on its leaves. Generally, dew you can see in winter season. Nowadays, you go in the garden, you will find lot of dew there on the grass and leaves. Okay. So he said कि in the morning you have to go and see the dew which is settled on the leaves, you know. So you have to collect 5 liters of dew. But that dew comes in very little quantity and you can't collect dew very easily. And he was saying कि आपको 5 liters you have to collect. I will chant a secret mantra. When 5 liters will over, you come to me. I will chant mantras which will turn it into a magic potion. Okay. A drop of this potion will transform any object into gold. Okay. Now he got the way. Ramanatha was worried, but winter is only for few months. It will take me years to collect 5 liters of dew. Okay. So how he will collect 5 liters? Quantity is more. You can plant as many trees as you want. Now sage said, it is not necessary to plant one tree. You can plant as much as you can. But remember, you must look after them yourself. Your wife will not help you. You have to do yourself. And collect the dew with your own hands. Okay. All work you have to do yourself. Ramanatha went home and after talking to his wife, started clearing his large field which had been lying empty all these years. He went to the field, discussed with his wife and started cleaning the land which was empty from last 3-4 years, and now he is cleaning for planting the banana trees. Then he planted rows and rows of banana trees. Okay? Now he started plantation. He tended them carefully and during the winter months collected the dew. He took care of the plants very nicely. It grows into tree and after that he collected the dew, and it was very difficult work but he was doing very carefully. His wife helped him too. His wife helped in plantation, not in collecting the dew. Madhumati gathered the bananas crop, took it to the market and got a good price for it. How she helped? She took all the bananas from the tree and sold in the market and got a good price. Over the years, Ramanatha planted more and more trees. A 5 years ka time sage has given. So 5 years tak he has planted so many trees and wife is collecting bananas and selling them. Okay. At the end of 6 years he has completed to collect 5 liters of dew. How much time he got? 6 years. You know? And finally he had his 5 liters of dew. You know? To collect 5 liters of potion, he spent 6 years. Carefully he took the bottle to the sage. Now he is very happy. Now it will change into potion, and after that potion I will turn everything into gold and I will be rich. The sage smiled and muttered a mantra over the water. Muttered means speaking softly in mouth. Then he returned the bottle and said, "Try it out." Now, sage spoke all the mantras and gave the bottle again to Ramanathan and said to try. Ramanatha sprinkled a few drops on a copper vessel. तो सेज के पास कॉपर का वेसल होता ना, तांबे का, तो Ramanathan sparkled the few drops of dew on that vessel and waited for it to turn into gold. Now he is waiting it will turn into gold. To his disappointment, nothing happened. It was not potion and nothing happened. It was only copper vessel. Okay? This is cheating, he told the sage. I have wasted 6 precious years of my life. This is cheating. I have wasted my 6 years, precious years. Okay, he saying precious years of my life. But sage Mahapati only smiled and called Madhumati to come forward. He called Madhumati to give the answer. She came with a big box. When she opened the box, inside were piles. Piles mean one after other of gold coins. Gold coins का एक पाइल था. So many piles were there. है ना, gold coins के piles लगे हुए थे. Now the sage turned to the shocked and surprised Ramanatha and said, "There is no magic potion that can turn things into gold. As such, there is no potion in this world. You worked hard on your land and created this plantation. Your hard work is the result of this plantation. Now, while you looked after the trees, your wife sold the fruits in the market. You are looking after the trees for dew, but your wife collected all the bananas and sold in the market from 6 years. And this money she got from the banana selling. It was your hard work that created this wealth. Because of your hard work of plantation of these banana trees, all the 6 years you have planted banana trees again and again, and by again and again selling the fruit, this money is because of your hard work. Nothing will pay in this world, only the hard work can pay. Okay? If you also do hard work, you will get marks. If you are waiting for this chamatkar, nothing will happen. So for getting good marks, you have to do hard work. This is the moral of the story. So last line, pay attention on this. It was your hard work that created this wealth, not magic. If I had told you about this earlier, you would not have listened to me. So I played a trick on you. If sage have said like this, you plant trees, banana trees, then sell fruit in the market, you will get good money. So Ramanathan would not do like this hard work. You know, he was lazy, he was waiting for magic. But hard work, how to take hard work, he played a trick on him, and because of hard work, this magic happened. Now Ramanatha understood the wisdom behind these words and worked even harder. Now he worked more hard on the field, and from that day he became a rich merchant. So this is a good lesson for you. Only hard work pays, nothing. Okay? So try. You will get success. Only hard work pays, not magic. I hope you like this story and follow this saying, hard work pays, not magic. Okay? So read the lesson twice so that you will enjoy the story, and there is no hard word such like you can't read. So read the chapter nicely, and next video will be on your book exercises and question answers. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.